This is how you can make money with affiliate marketing in Kenya or anywhere in the world. Just go to Chrome browser, search for system.io. I'll leave a link in description for you to access this software. Here, come and create a free account. After that, you can sign into your account. On signing into your account, you will have the dashboard. This dashboard shows the emails that you have been able to collect. So System.io is a software that you can build a funnel with, create your own course and sell it, and also promote other people's products and earn a commission. You can also create your own affiliate marketing program. So click on the 3 lines above and click on affiliate dashboard to see where your money will be shown. So here you will get your referral link. This is the link you will share for people to access this software. So for affiliate marketing, you can come and promote one of these courses. Let's say this affiliate marketing challenge. Click on the marketing challenge and then click on promote offer. It will take you to the sales page of the offer. Then click on the search bar and copy this link. This is the link you will share to your audience for them to access this course, and if they purchase this course, you'll be able to earn 80% commission. So this is the best offer you can promote. And if you don't know how to make money with affiliate marketing, I really recommend this course. I'll also leave a link to this course. Of course, it's an affiliate, and I'll earn a commission if you purchase it. So your commission will be shown here. This is one of my accounts, and it's working, guys. So it will show you the number of referrals down here, and also the amount you have earned. So far I've been able to refer 50 people, and that is it. You'll just need to create content about affiliate marketing or promoting a funnel for free. Here you can create a funnel for free and collect emails. I've collected some emails. Let's see the main dashboard. So far I've collected 47 emails, and these emails you can always send them a course for them to purchase, and you earn a commission. So that is all I have for today. Make sure you register through the link in the description for you to get started, and I'll also leave my WhatsApp number in case you need any guidance.